Hi guys, today we'll talk about Google Pixel 8 Pro versus Nokia N73 Pro. The Google Pixel 8 Pro launched on October 2023 with a price tag of $999 and Nokia N73 Pro launched on March 2024 with a price tag of $1,099. The dimension is same and the weight of these devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 213 gram and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 227 gram. And the build, the both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame and also come with dual SIM support. And the display of the devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with LTPO OLED 16mm color and the Nokia N73 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. And the screen size, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 6.7 inches display and the Nokia N73 Pro come with 6.81 inches display. And the resolution of the device, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 1344 by 2992 pixels and Nokia N73 comes with 1440 by 3200. And the PPI density, the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 518 and the Google Pixel 8 489 PPI density. The both devices come with 120Hz refresh rate. And the screen to body ratio, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 87.4% of both screen body ratio and the Nokia N73 comes with 92.1% screen to body ratio. And the both devices come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The screen brightness, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 2400 nits peak of brightness and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 4000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto and it's record 4K 60fps video. And the Nokia N73 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto and it's record 8K 30fps video. The front camera of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 10.5 megapixel of front camera and it's record 4K 60fps with selfie camera. And the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 32 megapixel of selfie camera and 4K 30fps video record. Let's talk about the platform of these devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with Nona core with Cortex X3 CPU and Nokia N73 Pro comes with octa core with Cortex X4. And the chipset, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with Google Tensor Gen 3 4nm chipset and Nokia N73 comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with Immortalus G715S GPU and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with Adreno 750 and both devices have Android 14 operating system. The memory of the devices, the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 12GB of RAM. The Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 128GB, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage and Nokia N73 Pro comes with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobile. And the battery of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 5050 mAh battery and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 5400 mAh battery. The fast charging, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 30W fast charging and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 90W fast charging. The wireless charging, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 23W of wireless charging and Nokia N73 Pro comes with 50W wireless charging. And the both devices come with 5G network support. The commons and feature is same, not much difference, and the result of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro got 19 points and the Nokia N73 Pro got 26 points.